What is up, nobody? Another day here at the shop. Yeah. So, I decided I'm gonna dick around with my rotted fuel tank and get that out and put the fuel cell that I have for it in. So, what I'm doing is I got the bumper off. I'm taking this off, which is surprisingly coming off pretty easy. I got the lights out. And I will cut out a piece of my trunk, mount that in there, and then I'll have it come out here to an inline fuel pump, and then I'll run it up. I'll run it up underneath, out of the way, and then a fuel pressure regulator here, and then I'll run it to this engine. I haven't got the part. Oh yeah, only I'm waiting on is my thermostat for this, which is supposed to be here any day now. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Bumper cover, actual bumper. I got the bash bumper off, and that's what I'm doing. So right now I'm just trying to get these bolts out without breaking them. Let's do it this way. So these guys, because they're fairly rusted, but I'm just trying to free them up, get them out, and yeah, that's what I'm doing for today before work. It was so bloody hot on the weekend. Didn't make it out here. I went and got my hair cut, but didn't make it out here. Waiting on truck parts to do that, to get that on the road. Maybe start like a side hustle with that. Since my second job, the hours are real slow. I haven't worked there in 2 weeks, so I mean, to do this, kind of need some money. So I don't know. Thought about maybe doing some junk removal or something with my truck, just to something to make money with it to help me afford doing this. So that's where I'm at with the Mustang. So yeah, I'll just keep on keeping on. I did buy a new laptop, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making videos on my laptop instead of these little shorts, I guess they are. And my Shannonville content, which I still haven't done, unbelievably. I'm going to put together a little thing, the footage I grabbed from that, and try and grow the channel. So, yeah, follow along.